the man who liberated India's dreams. It was likely his darkest hour as PM, the shrine of popular approbation, a key factor in Congress led alliances. 2009 election win had worn off to be replaced by ominous clouds with nary a silver lining in sight. But Manmohan Singh, then at the helm of UPA, two scandals hit government, where ministerial bickerings were routine, had different take. History will be kinder to me, he said. He was right, and anyone who, no matter their politics, would have agreed with Dr. Singh's self assessment as news broke out that he had breathed his last in Ames on Thursday on a cold, foggy Delhi evening. No Indian PM could match him in nonchalance when facing a blizzard of bad news. Recall those days: Commonwealth scam, 2G scam, coal scam, Manmohan's big mentories behaving as if they didn't have a boss. Rahul Gandhi te- tearing up a bill okayed by Singh government that opened a back door for convenient netas to come back to electoral politics. What informed the senior Sikh school self-confidence in the face of execrating banner headlines on corruption and dysfunctioning. Once Singh was in public life unflappable too, he knew even if his critics forgot in the heat of news, his legacy as the man who changed India's economic destiny was unchallengeable. The journey to his taking charge of India's economy showed another key trait in him. He was a determined programmist who smartly read the tea leaves of both politics and governance. When Indian socialism was all the rage, he was an excellent technocrat serving the license permit Raj. When that very economic regime nearly brought India to ruin, and Narasimha Rao picked him after IG Patel had turned down Rao's offer to be FM to save the economy by changing India's economic DNA, Singh with equal felicity became the Sardar of reforms. Communists and protection loving corporate chiefs dissed Singh. It didn't affect him one bit. The 1991 rewriting of industrial policy and the budget that followed are milestones in India's evolution. If India is today recognized globally by us as a serious economic player, if it's pegged as a future economic heavyweight, it all goes back to those key calls taken by a quiet man. India mourns the loss of one of its most distinguished leaders, PM Modi posted on X. Rising from humble origins, he rose to become a respected economist. He served in various government positions as well, including as FM, leaving a strong imprint on our economic policy over the years. As RPM, he made extensive efforts to improve people's lives. Dr. Singh and I interacted regularly when he was PM and I was the CM of Gujarat. His wisdom and humility were always visible. He wrote, "Lost a mentor and guide," says Rahul Gandhi. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi said he lost his mentor and guide in Singh. Manmohan Singh Ji led in India with immersive wisdom and integrity. His humility and deep understanding of economics inspired the nation, Gandhi said on X, adding, "Millions of us who admired him will remember him with the utmost pride." MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said Singh's honesty will always be an inspiration. A uniquely disfigured and gentle man in the rough world of politics. Landmarks in his legacy: RTI, RTE, Narega, and Deal. It was under Manmohan Singh's stewardship that UPA government enacted several right-based legislations: right to information (RTI), right to education (RTE), and job guarantee, later Manrega. Among others, Singh's first term also saw the introduction of OBC quotas in education. a move initially resisted by several cabinet colleagues. He had summed up RTE saying, "I am what I am today because of education. A nuclear pact with the US was also a major achievement."